Next thing to do is remove the...
Hello, my dudes. Today, we are changing the tires on my Honda Rebel. Let's go. First step, jack up your your bike. So you can actually get a bike jack stand at Ye Old Harbor Freight. This one was like $200-ish. It's not bad if you're trying to do your own bike maintenance and you expect to be doing your own bike maintenance for a minute. Now it's time to take off our wheels. Whee! Front tire. So now I'm going to decompress the air out of this thing, and we're going to take our little tire irons and pry it off the wheel. Get some rim protectors, my dude. They protect your rims. So now, I'm gonna do this the ghetto cheap way. I originally bought a tire changing stand, but the center hub doesn't fit in the center of these wheels. So now, we're doing it this way, the spoon way. And we're gonna get our little tire irons here. And we're gonna pry the literal tire off of the rim. Come here! Come here. I'm gonna throw this whole thing in the trash. Hello. It's definitely not the next week, and I definitely didn't have to order more stuff, and I definitely didn't have to go to Home Depot to get a new center hub for this. The one that came original to this is not the right size for these wheels. Anyways, we're here. All right, so where we were after I definitely did not puncture the tube on this tire, trying to get it out, I'm gonna just de-bead this and get this dang thing off the rim. Oh, I'm doing it. Oh God, how do I take it out? Oh my God, it's working! This is a lot easier when you're not having to worry about puncturing the tube. Maybe I'll just get new wheels next time. Why would the internet tell me this is so easy? The internet would never lie to me. Okay, since the rim strip on this wheel is damaged, definitely not from me brute forcing the tire and tube off of it. We're actually gonna go run to Honda right down the street and get some new ones for each wheel. All right, we're back. We got a chain care kit and some strips. So let's complete the rest of this. God, how much the first part of this sucks. Okay, so now that we finally have these crusty, dry rotted, old ass tires off of them wheels. Excuse me while I have a stroke about it. If you look on your tires, you're gonna see these numbers right here. For example, we have 3711. 37, the first two numbers out of this 4-number sequence. This is the week out of the year. So the 37th week out of the year 2011. These this tire is 11 years old. My front tire is 10 years old. You know how often you should change your motorcycle tires? At least once every 5 years. So it's probably a good thing that we're also replacing the tubes on these, because the tubes probably also haven't been changed in 10, 11 years. We're also gonna be doing the rim strips on both of these because they are crusty as well. I'm gonna put my bike back together today. Swear to God. So you might be thinking to yourself, Kaylee, what them rim strips do? Well, if you're a seasoned motorcyclist, I mean, you know, but like rim strips keep your tubes off of the metal part of your wheel, of your rim, so it don't get so crusty. Gross. It's me. It's your sleep paralysis demon. Be good people and take off your tire stickers and score the insides so they'll stick nice and good to the hello terms, rims. Now it's time to lube this up with soap and water. You can also use something like Windex, or they actually make special stuff just for this. But soapy water works, and it was free technically for me. We're putting the tire on the rim. I don't know what I'm doing. If you have a directional tire, make sure that your rotational arrow is pointing in the same direction which your wheel will be turning. Otherwise, that'll look bad and not serve its purpose. So yeah, let's try and get this bad boy on here again.
Next thing to do is remove the rim lock nut.
Oh wow, how did this happen? Oh, they're already installed. What a work. I did not have the brute force to just install the new tires. Blake started doing it. He was successful with one. He punctured the tube on another tire. So what we decided to do, and it was ultimately cheaper and safer for our mental health at that point, we ordered a new tube, took the wheel, tire, and tube to our local motorcycle shop, and they kindly installed it for less than $30. Coming out of this experience, would I do this again? Probably not. Would I just go ahead and take off the wheels, give a local shop the new tires, tubes, and wheels, and just say, here, install this? Absolutely. Would I have spent about $300 on equipment for installing this stuff knowing that? No, I wouldn't have. But anyways, now that I have new tires on this, I'll probably be selling this soon, because if you look behind me here, there are 2 mystery motorcycles under these covers. And if you follow me on Instagram, you already know what they are. So anyways, my dudes, learn from my experience. Just don't do this. Just don't do it. I mean, just send it to a professional. This was not fun. And I've done a lot of stuff. This was not fun. All right, my dudes, do the thing and the like and the subscribe and all right, cool. I'll see you later.